Hey guys, how's it going? It's Adipo Kleber here. I want to give you a really cool tip for those of you who have a kitchen with the laundry area right next to it, which is pretty common in apartments, okay? Look, we're renovating this apartment here, and I gave the tip, the idea to our client here. I said, let's put an Otimize door to separate the kitchen. Here's the kitchen cabinet. There will be a countertop here, sink, cooktop, oven, and here is the laundry area. Can you guys see that there's a door here? No, right? That's because it's built into this wall. And with a simple look, check out how interesting this is. Come here, get up close so you can see. With a simple touch, a click, you just click and it comes out of the wall. And this one here is the glass model from Otimize, okay? The aluminum frame with the glass panel. Look at this door. Take a look at this panel. Look at this awesome door. You can use it to separate your kitchen from your laundry room, okay? Stainless steel handle. Look at this big, beautiful handle. I haven't fixed it yet. It's still loose, but I will. So, the idea you should use in your kitchen to save space, look, I'm going to click it and it will be completely embedded inside the wall. When you want the passageway to be completely open and free so you can move around here in your daily life, you'll slide the whole door inside, okay? If guests are coming over and I have clothes hanging out to dry, yeah, clothes here, my laundry room is a mess, it's no problem. You're going to click, the door panel will come out, it has a damper. Pay attention so it doesn't slam into the frame here, okay? Look at this, see? Did you see that it has a damper? This also helps a lot in your daily life. So when you have clothes or a mess here in your laundry room, you just keep it closed. The glass here won't let anyone see the mess on this side. And you'll have a panel, a built-in door system for your house, for your whole life. You install it once and it lasts a lifetime. You must be imagining it, right? It's like, okay, it's beautiful, it's cool and all. I saw there are other models too and all. But if one day it needs maintenance, if there's a problem, what are you going to do? Will you have to break the whole wall here? No, you won't need to break anything. I've already shown you here on the channel in several videos that the only thing you need to do is remove this top trim here. Simply the top trim. You're just going to remove this trim and then you'll simply take the door out like this. Look, you're going to pull it like this, the door panel will come out. If you need to do maintenance, for example, on the latch that's at the back of the door, look. If one day it's clicking and not staying inside anymore, you can remove it. If one day you want to take it out, change the damper or replace the rollers, you can do it. So you don't have that doubt either. But that's the idea of the video. Look, it's for you to use an efficient and beautiful door system for your home. Down here in the description of this video is the website otimize.com. All right? You're going to visit the website. This is the glass model. Yeah, is there a model for my bedroom? For the living room? For the hallway to the bedrooms? For the computer room? Hallway? There are wooden ones, plain doors, grooved doors, double doors. There are several models. The website link is down below. If you use the coupon ARKI7, you still get a discount when buying any product on Otimize's website. All right? But that's the idea of the video. Look. You're going to gain a lot of space. You'll keep the passage clear from your kitchen to your laundry room, and you'll have a door that will last a lifetime in your house, or in this case, in our client's apartment. All right? I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't already. And the purchase links are down below in the description. Take care. So,